So if the price of silver suppose breaks this particular trend, you can see the trend. Okay, so once this trend moves upside or downside, we can see there is chances that it can break a new high. Also it can make a particular months or 2 months high for a year high, because it is in April 21st. So there is high chances that it can make new high, or what it can do, it can break this trend line and can go further low. If you have any doubt regarding your silver position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description. Okay, so what we can understand here, see, look at this price, and if the price goes above a level, I'll make a trend line and I'll show you. If you look at this, if you want to see this trend line, you look at this trend line, and then you will understand that how the price of silver is trying to move. See, this is a narrow range. Okay, this is the narrow range that it is forming. Okay, so once this trend line is break upside or downside, then definitely there is high chances that it can break a level down or upside. So once this level is break upside or downside, then what we can expect here is that we can expect there can be a sharp fall or can be a sharp rise, which can touch a level of years high, or it can again fall into a place where a new range bound was there downside. Okay, suppose if it breaks a level of, okay, suppose if it goes below a level of 27.59, then we can expect a level of 27.38, and from there we can expect a level of 27.23, and suppose 27.23 is touched, then we can expect a level of 27. Okay, once 27 is crossed downside, then we can expect a level of 26.83, and from there we can expect a level of 26.73. okay, if it stays below that level, then we can expect a level of 26.54, or if it goes below that level, then we can expect a level of 26.17 to a level of 26.12. okay, and if it goes below below that level, then it can touch a level of 25.83. suppose if this trend line breaks upside, or suppose, and it is not moving in this particular trend line as of now, but what I would suggest that suppose this trend line is break upside. Okay, I'll show you the trend line also. Then this trend line, suppose if it breaks upside, you look at this pattern, I'll make a pattern, sorry. So suppose if this trend line and at a particular, suppose this trend line moves upside and cross at a level of around 28, so there is high chances 27.98, there is high chances that it can touch a level of 28.24. once 28.24, because this level is already tested twice, so there is high chances that it can touch a level of 28.53. once 28.53 is touched, okay, 28.56, so there, suppose if this level is touched, then there is a high probability that it can touch a level of 28.77 also, which is which will be high since February. Okay, so there is high chances. So suppose if it breaks this level, then we can see that it can touch a level of 28.64, and from there it can touch a level of 28.76 also, but it is moving since 18th or 7th May to 18th of 17th of June. Okay, so there is high chances, it can, suppose that if tomorrow on 17th of July, June, there is chance if it breaks upside or downside, we can see there can be a sharp or a size fall upside or downside in the price of the silver. Moves up or downside, then we can expect that it can touch a high or low, and I've already told the high and lows. So what you can do is, if you wish to if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please